Congratulations, Mr. Jhaveri, on this prestigious award.
Thank you. Please call me Neeless.
What's your secret?
I'm just hard-working entrepreneur.
No, you're not. You're an entrepreneur.
Yes.
What's your next project?
I'll unveil it soon.
No, you won't. You'll unveil it soon.
Yes.
So tell us something about it.
I've been developing it for past 1 year.
No, you haven't. You've been developing it.
Yes.
Mr. Jhaveri, do you think this is going to beat your previous project?
Yes. It will be my career highlight.
No, it won't. It'll be your career highlight.
Yes.
To what do you owe your success?
To the support of key team members like my vice president.
No. Your vice president?
Yes, that's what I said.
Now it's time to open the champagne.
No, I don't drink.
You must. It's a celebration.
I have no vices.
No, you don't.
Right.
No. Vices.
Yes, vices.
Anyway, never mind. Congratulations, Mr. Jhaveri.
Thank you for your congrats.
No, it's congrats. I'm the English nut, and it's bye for now.